Not going to let myself overthink this. This is Nouns Builder Speedrun, where we try to create a Nouns DAO in the fastest time possible. First step, create your DAO. Connect wallet. Goal is to create a Nouns model DAO as quickly as possible. Don't overthink it, create a DAO and move on. DAO name, Sunshine. Website, my GitHub, /Sweetman-Tech, open source code, boom. Auction duration will be 7 days, 1 week. Reserve price, doesn't matter, super low. Continue. Lowest price I can do is 0.001, okay, lowest price. Veto power, useful, yes. Continue. Allocation, admin founder myself, Sagrado, and Steph Guerrero. What's her name? Guerrero. I don't know how to spell. Sorry, Steph. There we go. We're going to make this a 34, 33, 33 X% of tokens until the specified end date. I don't necessarily like this, so let's just make it 1 year out till 2023. There we go. This day. November, we're going to make it 11/11. 11/11, 2023. 2023, 11/11. 11/11. Interesting, each of us. 2023, 11/11. Gives us about 17 tokens. Awesome. Then we got a Nouns donation address. Sounds good. Let's keep. $33. Those numbers might add up. What don't you? Okay, there we go. Those numbers work. This is my first Nouns speed run. Artwork. Builder uses folder hierarchy to organize your asset. Upload a single folder containing a subfolder for each trait. Each subfolder okay, I guess I need a demo folder. I want to do this with music NFTs, and so I was expecting to be able to use any artwork, but I'm not going to overthink this. The goal is just to upload. This looked like CC0 art from Nouns, so I can probably just re-upload this back and call it good. That is probably what we'll do, and then we will iterate on this as we go. So we're not going to overthink this. We're going to upload this back up. Upload, downloads. It should be in that same directory, yeah? Do I just have to rename this? Rename. Not Nouns. Are you not liking the folder? What don't you like? Upload a single folder containing a subfolder for each trait. Each subfolder should contain every variant for that trait. Okie dokie. Upload. Today in our downloads folder. We're looking in our downloads folder for today. And I see our folder. Why aren't you seeing our folder? What if I just create a brand new folder called hello world. Is it gonna see that? If I cancel? Or are you just not even getting an updated version of, let's just do this. Cancel. I just want you to, there. Okay, so I see hello world, but I still don't see not nouns. Why don't I see not nouns? Let's copy these contents into hello world. None of those went inside of hello world. We manually add them to hello world. We add the glasses to hello world. We've now got hello world showing up. We upload hello world. We run it. It gives us this example. And here is our example. It looks like it's working just fine. Well, that's sick. Let's continue. Confirm your contract settings. I didn't add an avatar. How can I go back to general? I want to upload an avatar, which is going to be Sagrado CC0 art. I'm going to get that by going to Zora, and then I'm going to go to market, and we're going to look up Sagrado. Or just sunshine. I wonder if he shows up for sunshine. 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 Nope. Let's look up Sagrado. There be Sagrado. And in here we should have sunshine. It's owned by me, made by Sagrado. We're going to save the image. Just download that guy. This is CC0 art, as you can see down here in our licensing, so I'm allowed to use it. We're going to upload our DAO avatar, which is, I guess, a WebP. Uploading. Super beautiful interface so far. Couple things I would tweak, but overall this looks like this is, I've been able to work through this. Great. Looking good. Continue. Okay, general info. We should now have our DAO avatar, but I don't know if that actually saved. Let's go back here. Our DAO avatar did not save. I wonder why. Continue. 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 There we go. Now we got our DAO avatar, name, website, auction settings, allocation, set up artwork. What disclaimers do I have to read? Thank you for using hosted interface, Zora Labs that provides stuff, deploy DAOs. If I'm doing something wrong, someone let me know and I'll delete whatever I'm able to delete. Let's try deploying our contracts and see what happens. Okay, is it not going to let me deploy? No, we were so close. What's our error? Okay, so our console says gas transaction may fail, execution reverted, estimate gas. Just says execution reverted. It's not giving us any reason why. I'm connected to ETH mainnet on a normal wallet. I don't know why this isn't working. This feels like a barrier. It's not working. I could go through it all again, but so far it has been just under 10 minutes. I'd like to keep it under 10 minutes, so this was a failed first speed run. I will be back.